What's up, YouTube family? This your boy Willie Will, the Pit Boss himself. I'm back with another video. I just put my chicken on the grill. Yup, let me show you guys what it look like. Yup, them chicken legs. Yup, gonna take probably about an hour or two to cook them, depending. My heat is just right, you guys. You know what I'm saying? But them chicken legs gonna look good. Them chicken legs gonna look real good when they come off the grill, you guys. Yup, just put them on, you guys. Just put them on. Well, you guys, I'll be with you guys when they're done and ready to take off the grill. See you when I see it. Your boy Willie Will, the Pit Boss himself.